Hey queens, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite Jamafrican queen. Today is just a get ready with me for date night. So if you're interested in getting ready with me, then keep watching. So tonight, Emmanuel and I are going to this like R&B night. It's a little ways away, but it's just something to do. They're just gonna play like R&B music and you just kind of vibe out. Okay, back to the elephant in the room. So the reason why I have my hairline like this is because I was laid off. If I know how to kind of finesse wigs to where I don't have to buy another one, I'm just going to finesse it until I can buy another one, because there's other things that I gotta take care of before I can buy another wig. We all have hardships, it's not a biggie. I'm kind of excited for tonight. I have just been living for getting out the house and looking cute. Like, I don't know what it is. My urge or desire to just kind of go out and mix and mingle has increased since COVID hit. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes off camera because I have to do new ones. Okay, so I did my lashes off camera. I don't know how I feel about them because I kind of did them a little different. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and just add some concealer. So another thing that's new with me, I need more. Another thing that's new with me is that I have a new job. I know last time I talked to you guys, I talked about being laid off. Really just opened my eyes to wanting to own my own business, which of course YouTube is my own business as well. But you know, just being that disposable was crazy. I have this new job, and this new job, I am going to be basically doing something that I have never done before, and I start in like a week now. So I had 2 weeks off. Well, they gave me 2 weeks to just kind of, you know, like get all of my paperwork in and do all of the onboarding stuff. And of course, get my laptop, but I'm super nervous because it's something that I've never done before. I've been studying like all the different terms and terminology and just anything that will help me ease into the new role. So I've really been having anxiety about that. To be completely transparent, I would rather have anxiety about a new job than anxiety about not having a job still. So, you know, it's a good anxiety. It's not like I'm upset about it. I just have been having anxiety about the fact that I'm gonna start a new job. It's something that I haven't done before. And then just a little bit of being laid off anxiety. You know, like once you experience something that traumatic, you don't really want to go through it again. And I feel like that's completely valid to feel that way. So do y'all remember whenever in my last Get Ready With Me, I was putting concealer like right here? Yeah, I'm not gonna do that anymore because Emmanuel and I were at a restaurant and it got dark because it's getting dark faster now. And when he took a picture of me, I look like a raccoon. Like I can't even front. Like it was giving raccoon because you could literally see where I put my concealer. That will not happen again. Okay, so next thing, and I'm just gonna be switching topics quickly. Not really, don't listen to me. Another thing that I've been struggling with is just wearing wigs in general. You know, now that I've just had a little bit of a financial setback, just trying to keep up and maintain the one wig that I really actually enjoy wearing has been an experience, and it's been a journey. And honestly, having this wig, even when I was financially stable, having this wig specifically, and I talked about this wig a little bit in my previous video. I'll leave it up here. I'm gonna point in the right direction one day. But just having this wig, I have just shied away from wanting to wear wigs. I've shied away more so because it just requires time and effort. And if you're in a space like I am right now, like currently you just financially can't keep up with wanting to wear wigs, then it does get a little depressing because your wigs get crusty. And it's like, yeah, girl, just like wear your own hair. Like, it's not that hard. But for me, it is because my hair is severely damaged at the moment. And this is just one of those times where I'm like, you know what? I'm going to repair my hair. So I am on this journey, and I'm going to document this journey as well, because I'm going to make a video, but I'm on a journey of trying to improve the health of my hair, but also trying to grow my hair longer, because I've seen that it's been a little bit more stagnant than usual. Wearing wigs recently just hasn't been the most enjoyable thing, especially this one. This one hasn't been enjoyable from the jump. So I'm going to make a hair review video, and it's just going to review all of the different hair companies that I've tried. And I'm definitely going to go in detail as to how I really felt about this specific wig. I've had this wig for since January. Yeah, since January. So the next thing that I kind of just wanted to touch on was, I don't know if anyone else is feeling this way, but the mindless scrolling. I know I've seen that somewhere, like people talking about like just mindless scrolling on any type of social media platform. I know I mainly do it on TikTok. TikTok is where my people are at. When I say my people, I mean just like, of course, my people, but I also mean people who share the same views as I do. Instagram just seems a little bit more fake now. It seems like they just push out like whoever they want to push out, and I just don't see people that I actually care for. So what I've been experiencing is just like severe mindless scrolling. Sometimes my eyes will be in jeopardy and I'll just continue to scroll. It really is an addiction, because sometimes I do want to stop scrolling, but then my mind is just like, well, what if you find another video that you like? Or what if you find something that you're looking for? And it's just a constant battle. So I've been trying to look into more like educational content, just because I don't like the way that I feel when it comes to scrolling on Instagram or even TikTok. TikTok is the worst for it. And I don't know if anyone else has been experiencing that, but it has been very detrimental to just like my ability to focus. It's been detrimental to my ability to also have conversations. Now that I have a full-time job, I'm just a little nervous about whether or not I'm going to be able to juggle doing YouTube and having a new full-time job that I know nothing about, because I want to continue to put out content, but I also want to be able to get into the YouTube creators program, because I'm very, very close. Right now, I think I have like 977. So just trying to figure out whether or not I'm going to be able to consistently upload on YouTube and get to my goal, which is to be a part of the YouTube creators program. My goal is to do this by the end of October. So it's like October 21st. And I feel like getting, 20 subscribers shouldn't be too hard. I mean, there's plenty of YouTubers who are getting like hundreds a day. So I feel and I know that it's capable, and I know it's something that I can achieve. I'm just super nervous with me having a new job, being able to maintain that. But I do have a plan. I have a bunch of different videos that I'm excited to release and excited to film. Putting yourself out there, it's a tough thing. You have to basically eliminate the feeling of caring what people think. And when that's something that your life kind of revolved around at one point in time, it is a hard thing to break. But it's like now I'm learning to be unapologetically me. And I think that's extremely important. My videos aren't going anywhere. They're always going to be up. So my kids may see this one day, or even just their friends, or any kids will see this one day, but I want them to understand, and I know that I have like BBL content and stuff like that, but I want them to understand that, at the end of the day, you can get all that stuff, but it's not going to make you happy. It'll make you happy temporarily, but after you finish doing that, then you're going to look for something else. And then eventually you're just going to be like, I just want to be myself. But then you're so far removed from yourself that you don't even know how to be yourself anymore. And will I lie and say that, like doing the BBL and stuff like that, has it boosted my confidence? Absolutely. Absolutely. But it shouldn't take that. Do I have things that I regret? Oh, absolutely. I need a darker shade, because I want to line my lips like the 90s liner. I've been in love with that look lately. I feel like this went too quick, and I feel like I forgot something. All right, and let's spray. I feel like the nose highlight has gone out of style. but hear me out. I'm never gonna stop doing it. It's the chef's kiss for me. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my hair and then we're gonna get dressed. So I'm gonna do my hair off camera because we gotta see what time the sun is going to go. Okay, so the sun is going to go down at 6:47. So I'm gonna go do my hair. I should be done around like 5. We cannot lose daylight. Okay, so hair is done. I also fixed this, even though it's not the most perfect part and you can see a little bit of my lace, it's fixed. We're gonna get another wig. Okay, so here are the options that I have. So I have this, which this is from Menway Devoir. So this from Menway Devoir, and then I wanted to pair it with like some like leather pants. I don't know. I feel like that's a little too much. And I want to wear this one tomorrow because we're going to go to like a hookah lounge. So I feel like that would be a lot better. This one, since it's just vibes and stuff like that, I was thinking like this bodysuit, like this full bodysuit or whatever, kind of give it like this more upscale kind of look. But I don't know, because this is like, yeah, like this is more like chill R&B and stuff like that. And I want to give like the ambiance of R&B. So slightly rich auntie. Yeah, let's go with this one. Okay, well, let's just see what this one looks like. And then if we need to change into that other one, we can do that. Okay, so I know I said like, if we need to, we can switch, but this was hard to get on, so we not switching. But if you want to see the other outfit, you can see that in my monthly vlog. That'll be coming out on October 31st. If this comes out before then, this will be out before then. Okay, so love this. My only issue with this from my outfit online is that this is the space with my back. And I don't know if you guys can see it too much, but this is the space with my back. I don't like how the material just kind of comes out like that. I don't think that's cute. I wish it kind of like, you know, hugged my back, you know, because I work out a lot on those little RDLs and the little good mornings, like the arch. It should accommodate the arch, but that's okay. Then we're gonna do, guys, like, do you see these little babies? This is what I'll be walking around in, but that's okay because we got a job. We got a job now, okay? We will see new accessories soon. This pimple on the bottom of my chin is really getting to me. Like, out of all places, you want to be on the bottom of the chin? And then I have this small baby fake chain that has like super fake diamonds on it. You know what I mean? Like so fake you can't even really see that there's fake diamonds on it. All right, we're gonna go with it. All right, let's put her here. Does that look right? Is it on the right side? Possibly. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then I just want to do this little ring right here. Listen, guys, this is from Target. It's super old. Don't judge me. I'm not showing you too much because some of the diamonds are missing and it's a little rusted. So this is what I'm thinking. Shoes. Kind of like sporty, but not like too upscale, you know? Let me put them on. Ouch. One thing I really like about these shoes is that they lace up, so it kind of gives like sneaker heel. I don't know why I like that. Okay. Y'all see? We got that. Purses. All right. So I'm thinking light. All right, so I'm thinking YSL or this like little red purse. Pop of color or chic. Yeah, I like this. You know what, let me go check my hair, make sure my hair is good. Okay, that was a whole reality check, because why didn't y'all tell me that my little turtleneck was flipped up and my necklace wasn't doing what it was supposed to do? Like, I thought we were friends. Okay, so I think I like it. I think it's giving it should cost $1 billion to look this good. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm not actually. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see my monthly vlog, so then you can see me looking good with a tea at the end whenever we go on date nights on Saturdays. But other than that, I enjoyed getting ready with you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.